Hey adventurers and content creators! Looking for the ultimate action camera to capture your wildest moments? Whether you're diving deep, climbing high, or just vlogging your day-to-day, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best action cameras that combine power, performance, and portability. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Viran V9 action camera. The Viran V9 action camera redefines versatility with its powerful performance and intelligent design. Engineered for adventure, creativity, and high-quality storytelling, it's truly an all-around player in the world of action cams. Featuring 4K resolution at 60Hz, the V9 delivers ultra-sharp, fluid visuals that bring every moment to life. Its strengthened wide-angle lens, with a 170 field of view, captures more of the scene with crystal clarity thanks to a 6-glass HD optical structure. Whether you're scaling mountains or diving into the ocean, the upgraded anti-shake algorithm ensures smooth, stable recordings by enhancing rotation jitter correction. No more motion blur or jitter, even in the most intense action. Dual-color screens add flexibility and convenience. The 1.4-inch front selfie screen gives you full control over framing and timing, making it easier to capture yourself in the action without guesswork. Every frame you shoot is a masterpiece in motion. With 48 million pixels, the V9 produces high-fidelity photos rich in detail and vibrant in color. Each shot reflects true-to-life light and depth, preserving your most precious moments with impressive sharpness and accuracy. Enhanced by mobile app control, the Viran V9 seamlessly connects with your smartphone, giving you more ways to manage, preview, and share your adventures on the go. Precision crafted with an exquisite glue bonding process, this camera is built to withstand the demands of your lifestyle while delivering high-definition focus and clarity in every shot. From high-speed thrills to serene landscapes, the Viran V9 action camera makes sure every second counts beautifully, vividly, and without compromise. Coming in at number 4, we have the Cerastes V10 action camera. The Cerastes V10 action camera redefines what's possible in compact adventure filming. At its heart lies a 1.3-inch sensor that outshines most sports cameras in its class. Whether under the blazing sun or the dim glow of twilight, this sensor delivers consistently vivid and sharp visuals, ensuring exceptional performance in all lighting conditions. Color reproduction takes a leap forward with 10-bit log-M technology, capable of recording over 1 billion colors. Visual transitions are smooth and natural, preserving rich detail and dynamic tones. This advanced color profile not only enhances the footage but also simplifies post-production color grading for content creators. For those chasing action, the V10 doesn't hold back. It supports 4K resolution at 60 frames per second and features a 145 ultra-wide-angle lens, capturing expansive scenes with stunning clarity and immersive spatial depth. This wide perspective pulls viewers right into the moment, perfect for fast-paced sports and outdoor adventures. Built-in 6-axis gyroscope stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage even in extreme motion. Whether navigating bumpy trails or executing high-speed stunts, the image remains crisp and stable, ideal for cycling, surfing, or 360 spins. User-friendly and impact-resistant, the V10 is crafted for rugged environments. Its intuitive controls and wide accessory compatibility make it a versatile companion for any setup. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just beginning your journey, this camera empowers you to express creativity with ease. From epic mountain rides to serene twilight landscapes, the Cerastes V10 captures the full spectrum of your adventures, always clear, always bold. At number 3, the Sjcam SJ8 Pro action camera. The Sjcam SJ8 Pro is built for those who live for adventure and want to capture every moment in stunning clarity. Equipped with a 170 HD ultra-wide-angle lens, it delivers a sweeping field of view that enhances spatial depth, making every shot feel immersive and dynamic. Whether you're filming high-speed sports or breathtaking landscapes, the SJ8 Pro ensures your footage is always captivating. To keep your videos smooth and professional, the camera features advanced 6-axis gyro stabilization. This technology acts like a built-in gimbal, reducing shake and vibrations even in the most intense action scenes. The result is clear, stable footage, whether you're biking down a mountain trail or skiing through powder. Designed for exploration, the SJ8 Pro is waterproof up to 30 meters, making it ideal for underwater adventures. Dive into the ocean and record vibrant marine life without needing an additional case. Its battery life of over 2 hours ensures you won't miss a moment, giving you more freedom to record your journey without frequent charging interruptions. With 2.4G and 5G dual-band Wi-Fi support, transferring your footage is faster than ever, up to 4 times the usual speed, streamlining your workflow and reducing wait times. And when it comes to video quality, the SJ8 Pro delivers true 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. This Ultra HD video capability captures motion in crisp detail, providing smooth playback and lifelike realism. From mountain peaks to ocean depths, the Sjcam SJ8 Pro is your reliable partner for recording life's most thrilling moments in extraordinary detail. In the second spot, we have the Insta360 Ace Pro action camera. The Insta360 Ace Pro redefines what's possible in an action camera. At the heart of this cutting-edge device lies a flagship 1.3 sensor, engineered to deliver crisp, high-resolution 8K and 4K video that brings every moment to life with breathtaking clarity. Whether you're scaling mountains or diving into the ocean, the Ace Pro ensures that every frame is packed with detail and dynamic range. Built for thrill seekers and storytellers alike, the Ace Pro combines rugged durability with refined performance. Its waterproof design allows you to take it wherever the action leads, be it torrential rain, underwater exploration, or snow-covered slopes. Thanks to advanced stabilization technology, even your most high-octane moments are captured with smooth, shake-free precision. When the lights dim, the Ace Pro continues to shine. Its super low-light performance ensures clear, vibrant footage in challenging lighting conditions, letting you film at dawn, dusk, or even in the glow of city lights. At the core of its visual excellence is Leica lens technology, trusted worldwide for its ability to render true-to-life colors and unmatched sharpness. More than just a camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro is a tool for creativity. With a range of accessories and mounting options, it adapts effortlessly to your shooting style and environment. From vlogs to extreme sports, this camera is built to push boundaries and capture your world exactly how you see it: raw, real, and unforgettable. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dji Osmo Action 5 Pro action camera. The Dji Osmo Action 5 Pro is a powerful and compact action camera designed to deliver high-performance video and photo capture in any environment. Built with a cutting-edge CMOS photo sensor and capable of recording in crisp 4K resolution, this camera is tailored for content creators, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand clarity and reliability. Equipped with a 1.3 sensor, the Osmo Action 5 Pro excels in capturing rich detail and vibrant color, even in low-light scenarios. The advanced sensor, combined with enhanced subject tracking and anti-shake technology, ensures smooth, sharp footage regardless of the movement or lighting conditions. Whether it's for fast-paced action sports or serene nature shots, the camera remains steady and focused. The unit features a maximum focal length of 24 mm, offering a wide-angle perspective that's ideal for immersive landscape shots and dynamic action scenes. It records in the universally supported MP4 format, making it easy to edit and share content across platforms. Storage is handled via micro SD cards, ensuring portability and flexibility. Usability is enhanced with dual OLED touchscreens, providing intuitive control and real-time viewing from both the front and rear, perfect for vlogging or framing complex shots. The camera's 2.5-inch display offers clear visuals even under direct sunlight. Designed with adventure in mind, the Dji Osmo Action 5 Pro comes in a sleek black finish and is fully waterproof, making it suitable for underwater exploration, rainy hikes, or snowy slopes. Every element of this camera, from its rugged build to its advanced imaging capabilities, reflects DJI's commitment to innovation and excellence in portable video technology.